How a lion earns the title King of the Jungle. The lion is traditionally called the king of the jungle, even though lions do not actually live in a thick rainforest. They live in open grassland and savannas in Africa and parts of India. However, male lions have big golden manes like royal crowns that give them the majestic looks. Like a kingdom, lions live in a family group called pride. This group acts like royal kingdom with leader or king. Talk about its kingly voice. The lion's roar is very loud and can be heard from miles away. While the female lioness do about 85% of the hunting job, since they were smaller and more agile. The male lion plays its kingly roles like defending the pride's territory and cubs from other lions or hyenas. So, if lion lives in open grassland, should we call it king of the plains? Well, the word jungle back then also means wilderness or empty land, not just thick rainforest. And that's king of the jungle for you. Go watch Lion King and see how the king protects its pride. Take care now.